So they're coming up a little bit more slowly, aren't they, Reese?
He's steering it just like he's driving.
He has to steer it.
Ooh, that cement wall looks like it might be...
Doesn't look like it's doing anything to the right wheel, though. Well, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, if they can pull it right up through there.
God,
well,
that's
going to work pretty well. Oops.
What was that?
I don't know. Here comes the tough spot, though.
Up over that cement. This will be great. I think they'll appreciate being able to watch this later. Nice dent there on the side, huh?
I can't
wow,
believe
they
that
did it. They got it over the cement thing. Look. Can you see that, Reese?
Cool.
Oh, my God, they're good. Look.
This one right up over there. Whoa.
Wow.
Oh, look at them. Lift the whole thing up now.
Oops. Should have cut that tree down.
I'm glad I'm not the guy in the truck.
They just lifted it right up. Is that part of the car, that piece of something that's sticking out?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what holds the riding board, which is gone.
Oops.
Look at that. Sure did some dents and...
Maybe while they're here, they could hook up some of those hooks to some of the other stuff your grandpa has down on the beach. They could pull that up, too.
Go, 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 go. Just go.
It's going. It's very exciting. Let's see if I can get more in the picture this way.
Go, go, go. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Go, go, go,
Wow.
go, 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 go. You can do it.
They're lifting it straight in the air.
Look at him. He's filming it too.
What do you call those parts that are sticking out? Where were they before?
Well,
that's
right
where
the
where you step on them.
Yeah,
oh,
step
right.
Yeah.
Well, that's probably not that.
Yeah, the rear tire doesn't look so great.
That's definitely off the rim. Now you can see what stopped them down there. It's just that God stopped them, if you ask me. Just look at that little thing.
I'm so glad I'm not the guy who's driving the truck.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to be in that car. You are so right. That is not a good place to be.
I do not want to be there.
I guess he pretty much feels very certain that those big hooks there will definitely hold the truck. Oh, here comes another truck.
Yeah, they have two trucks. Darn it, weapons! You know what, open. Yikes. Two trucks are going to do it? Yeah, they have to do two trucks. This is crazy!
Boy, when your grandpa does it, he does it in a big way, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Oh gosh, there's a timer on here. It's already been 5 minutes and 5 seconds.
Thanks.
Now they're hooking up another chain or rope. Yeah.
You know what Reese does when he hooks up his cars?
What?
To his little tow trucks? He takes the hook on his tow truck and he hooks it around the wheel.
Oh, maybe they should do that.
I wonder if cars like them actually have axles.
I believe so. That truck looks in pretty good shape considering where it's been.
Yeah. I know what you mean.
It's hard to believe that just tiny little stump down there held the whole car.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Lost the
What's
trash
those springs? Yeah.
Which springs?
In the truck. Reese, those are his things
Oh.
that he. That's the things that. Those are some of the things that he locks things into the truck.
Okay, now the second truck is doing the work. Ooh, is that guy still in there? Yeah, he is still in there. Now they're going back down. I don't know where she is.
What?
Nothing.
What? She can read your mind, Carl?
Oh, I see. So that's all they need to keep it there. That's not so bad. Yeah.
Oh, now that truck's holding it while this
Yeah, that's what they
truck's
said. They need the two trucks
pulling
for it.
out.
That's all he needed was something to hold it while he moved the other one. That was his plan.
Now, which one's going to pull it the rest of the way?
I think the big one.
Big one, silly.
You're right as usual,
I think that's
Kellen.
what he said his plan was. Yeah.
These guys are very good, I must say. It looked perplexing. I didn't know how they were going to do it.
You know all this chatting is going to be on the phone.
Well, say something, sing something to your grandma and grandpa. Say hi.
Oh, stop it.
8 minutes and counting.
8 minutes. 10 minutes. 3 minutes.
That's the wheels turn when he tells them to turn them. Look.
Yeah. The wheels turn.
There's no way this car is going to be drivable.
Why, oh, why, oh, why?
Well, they're not really designed to bounce off the trees.
And fly down hills? Like flying.
It's like flying. It's like flying. Yes, it's like flying.
Flying backwards down a hill. Oop.
Reese didn't like it.
Just remember this when we explain why you're not getting your own car.
I think they should make rubber cars.
Because I, of course, did this when I was 16.
You went down a hill backwards?
No, I went through a fence.
Wow. Uh-oh, that hose. There goes the hose. Oops, might have to get a new one of those. What's that attached to?
The hose